For the majority of our clients, and that's probably you as well, there is no minimum term to our software subscription. In other words, you're only tied in to the month you're currently in. You can pause or cancel your account anytime, and then when the next billing period rolls over, your account will still be there, but you'll no longer be paying for it. So that's usually the case for the majority of our clients. However, there are some organizations we work with, for example, public sector companies, where there might be a minimum term of, say, 6 or 12 months. And that's because those types of companies often pay us by purchase order and invoice, which is a lot of extra admin work for us. So in those types of situations, then we might have a minimum term. Sometimes as well, companies want assurances that we will be here to stay. In other words, they want to stay with us long term, and that's probably a discussion we would have as part of the sales process. So we can lock you in for a longer term if that gives you some assurances that we're not going to go anywhere. So the reason we don't tie you in for a long term is that we believe in making software that doesn't just tie people in because they have to stay with you, but actually provides a lot of value, and you stay with us because it's helping your business. So we're always trying to over-deliver on the value, and if you're going to go elsewhere, you would go there with our blessing. We want it to be easy for you to start and also to stop using our app whenever it suits you. So just to recap, there's no minimum term for our software unless you have agreed that with us when you upgraded, or unless that was part of your pricing plan, because we might have introduced new pricing plans when you're watching this. But at the time of this recording, there is just one plan, and that is a monthly rolling subscription. If you have any questions, please contact our sales team and we'll be happy to answer them.